everyone, happy Sunday, welcome back to another video. So my client requested purple and yellow nails a couple of days ago, so I've applied all the tips, prepped and primed and all that jazz, and that purple there excuse me, is Rockstar by Glitter Planet, and I'm just applying this gold, which is Indian Summer Marigold from the Glitter Fairy. I'm just picking up small beads of clear acrylic and then dipping them into the raw glitter. And then that one on the top there was something, and I can't remember the name. It's the Galaxy, Holo Galaxy Flakes from the Unicorn's Den. I will link everything below, I just need to find the pot to get the exact name for you. So on this, you have to excuse me, it's Sunday, I don't even know what's going on in my life right now. So this is Purpleicious on this index finger. So I've just popped a bead on the cuticle and I'm putting and pressing down the nail. And then I'm going to double dip into those two glitters. And place them at that cuticle area, and then just feather them down the nail so we've got like a little glitter fade there. And just nudge them around till I'm happy with them. So in with this Purpleicious again. I just placed it on at the cuticle. In hindsight that bead was a bit thicker than I needed it to be, but there we go. And then I've just swiped it across to one side, and then I'm coming in down the middle with a strip of banana from CJP, and then back in with Purpleicious just on that free edge, that very corner. And then I'm going to double dip into those glitters again, so tiny wet bead of acrylic in the yellow, in the purple, and then straight onto the nail. And then I'm going to come over the top of those join lines with those Galaxy Flakes as well. So me and my partner and our clever selves have just worked out how to edit the little 1-minute videos for Instagram. So this nail here I'm doing now is a clip that I've got on my Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up because I really want to be able to swipe up and put my video links on the story settings as well, and for that you need 10,000 followers. So hoping if I pop some of these little clips on, I might up my subscribers. Right, so that is Snow White, and I'm just doing an ombre of these two glitters, and I put white down first because I really wanted this yellow to pop. So I'm just picking up small beads into the glitter, then straight onto the nail. With glitter it's best if you work in smaller beads and build up the coverage that you want. I prefer to use multi-cut glitters if I'm doing a full nail. Even if I'm using a chunky glitter, I'll come in with a multi-cut first just to get that coverage, because it's hard to get a clean cuticle area when you've got such a chunky glitter. So I'm just nudging these two about on the join line, and I'm going to come back in with a bit more of that yellow so that there's no sort of harsh lines and they blend a bit together. Now this nail here, she had a little bit of a poorly where she ripped her nail off a few months back, but it's okay now. It's grown back beautifully. So I'm doing a full nail of banana on this one, and I'm going to do the same as the index finger, and I'm just going to add, just going to double dip those glitters and add them on the cuticle area. So just a really, really simple set, but I feel like it packs the punch with the colours together. Like yellow and purple is just gorgeous, I think. It's not everyone's taste, but I love them. And there you can see my beautiful nails that the guild done for me, bless her. She's such a doll. So I'm just coming back in to cap these now. Completely out of shot, you know me girls and guys, sorry. So I'm just really patting that out on the end just to make sure that the coverage is exactly the same thickness right on that free edge of the nail. Because sometimes if it's slightly thinner or thicker on one edge than the other, you lose that crisp shape when you come to filing. Just keeping the sides and everything as neat as I can with my brush, so there's less filing to do. And I just want to say also a massive thank you to anybody who voted for me for the English Hair and Beauty Awards. Actually, I can't believe it, I'm a finalist for the Midlands Hair and Beauty Awards next month, so massive thank you to anyone that voted for me. I literally can't believe it. That's amazing. So as always, using my tack-free top gloss. It's so shiny, I love it. Dribble. Oh, look at that Holo. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Everybody needs a glitter slow-mo in their life. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I will leave the link to my Instagram page in the description box. If you don't already follow me, then please do. Yeah, I really want to get that swipe up link activated, and it's not till 10,000, so please help a girl out. But yeah, I'll leave you a shot at the end of this. Thank you so much as always for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you all in my next one. I've got some bangers coming up. Love you, bye.